I'd like to invite you to make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. You are welcome to be seated or lying down. And typically, before we start the meditation, I also like to invite practitioners to take 3 deep, full, nourishing breaths in through the nostrils and exhale out from the mouth. This just helps us kind of move away from the fight, flight, freeze to the rest and digest state. Allow your body to also settle by letting your shoulders relax. Your breathing soften. And allow your entire system to know that you can rest now. And as your breathing relaxes, you may begin to sense a soft glow in the distance. A crystal sphere slowly floating towards you. This first sphere carries grounding energy. Steady, earthy, and calming. Let it drift towards one hand and settle into your palm like a gentle weight. Feel its presence grounding your body, your breath, and your nervous system. Let it steady you. And as that settles, a second sphere forms. Golden, warm, and radiant. The frequency of abundance. It floats towards your other hand, landing softly. Inside are the seeds of possibilities, opportunities, paths opening, and so allow your body to receive that warmth. And then finally, a third sphere appears. This glows with life force energy, sensuality, creativity, and aliveness. It floats towards your lower belly and settles like a small sunrise within you, spreading its warmth and nudging your body to remember its own sacred energy. And lastly, a fourth sphere emerges. This one is clear, luminous, and the energy of clarity. It drifts towards your heart and merges within your chest, like light dissolving into light. So that all four spheres are with you, within you, and around you. Grounding, abundance, life force, and clarity. Breathe this integration into your body, feeling the energies flow into one another, supporting one another, and stabilizing one another. These spheres represent your wholeness, your power, your inner coherence. Allow the spheres to slowly expand, not leaving you, but forming an energy field around you. A field you now carry within and around your body. I'd like to invite you to take a deep, full, nourishing breath in and out. And take a moment to notice how you feel in this moment. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, arriving in your day more grounded, more clear, more abundant, and more alive. Namaste.